Hello everyone, I hope all are doing good and welcome back to my another video. Desserts are something that we all love to have. Today I am sharing a delicious coconut pudding recipe. It has a creamy texture also. So let's get started and check out the recipe.
For this recipe, the first step is to extract coconut milk. For that, in a mixing jar, add grated coconut, pour enough water and grind it. Once it's ground, then strain it. Now the coconut milk is ready. To make corn flour mixture, in a small bowl, add coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps in the corn flour mixture. Adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar according to how much sweetness you prefer. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it. Now turn on the flame and mix it continuously. Add corn flour mixture and mix it. Now you can see the mixture is thickening after adding corn flour. Once it thickens, then turn off the flame. Cool it down, then keep it in the fridge for 3 hours. There you go, simple and delicious coconut pudding is ready. Try it and enjoy. If you like this recipe, then like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then consider to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.